guys from Eden Condensed Small Space Garden Design, and this is Garden Space. Today I'm going to show you how far apart you should plant your kale. I've prepared this little garden bed in front of the fence, and I've pre-dug some holes here about 4 to 6 inches apart. Now, kale, like most vegetables that you buy in the nursery center, when you buy these 6-packs, they look pretty small, and I do like to plant closer together than a lot of people recommend because I can get more in and the plants also protect each other. But kale, especially this dinosaur kale, will tend to grow about 2 to 3 inches high, and it will spread out after about 6 weeks. So it's important that you do give them a little bit of room, and then that way it'll also add more air circulation into your plants and prevent things like whitefly and mildew. So I'm going to take my little kale here out of the pack, and I also have some organic vegetable fertilizer, and I'm just going to add a little bit into the bottom of each planting hole, about a teaspoon or so, and we'll pop these in and cover them up. So I've got these about, I'd say, 6 inches apart. Got room for one more here. And then I'm going to get my watering can here and give them a nice good watering to get started. When you first plant your vegetables, you want to make sure they're well watered, that they have at least 6 to 8 hours of full sun a day, and that they're in nutrient-rich and well-draining soil, and that'll give them the best start. So if you have any other questions about how far apart to plant kale or any other vegetable, please contact me at www.edencondensed.com. Thank you very much.